Channel. Those of you that are just tuning in, welcome. Thank you so much. Dope Girls Gang Gang, family members, yes. Okay, so this week's a little different. I actually wanted to show you guys what I do to maintain my curls, what I do, what the process is going into a new week, transitioning into a new week, and coming back from old week. So basically, you guys will see me cleanse my hair. You're gonna see me deep condition it, everything like that, because a lot of you guys ask me what my process is. And this is my hair without any product in it. I don't have any conditioner in it or anything like that. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm doing this week because I don't know. But anyways, you guys stay tuned. I'm super excited for this video. All right, guys, let's just go ahead and get straight into the video. All right, you guys, so I wanted to talk to you really quick about the aloe vera gel and the aloe vera leaf and why I love to use it. So this is personally, first off, it's natural. So it's a natural leaf, and aloe vera, the aloe vera plant has natural gel in it, okay? So the gel doesn't just add moisture, it helps retain length. It also just has great, amazing benefits when it comes to the gel, and it's all natural, which I love, and it's also cost effective. It's like $1.99, so I always get these. You are able to pre-poo with like a conditioner if you want, but me, I really love to pre-poo with my aloe vera gel, my aloe vera leaf plant, and I've been doing this for about probably 6 months to a year now, like actually being consistent with it, and my hair really likes it. I really dig it. So definitely, you guys, it's cost effective, it's great for the hair, it's a natural based gel. You can also mix this with your you can actually leave it in too. It's be good for a leave-in because it is natural, so it's not going to damage your hair or anything like that. Combing your hair, you want to start at the ends and brush up, because that's going to be so much easier when you're detangling and doing everything you're supposed to be doing for that week. It's going to help so much. Alright, you guys, so this is the last section I have. I'm just going to divide this into 2 pieces, or 2 sections. This takes me about 30 minutes to do with everything. I would say about 30 minutes. And then I'm going to go ahead and sit under my dryer for about maybe 20 minutes. So what I do is I just literally, I'll take the aloe when I'm all done and just put it on my roots just to make sure every spot got hit. And I'm going to show you guys the aloe that I have left, because I have quite a bit left. So then I'll use this for next week. Ooh. Probably end up putting these in a bag or something. I'm gonna just show you guys. Just want to get all that gel out. Okay, you gotta moisturize it. All right, now I'm gonna put my hair up in a little clip. It's secure, and now we're gonna go to put my bag on. and I'm gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer. For those of you, I have a video of the dryer that I have, and I will link that up above so you guys can see. But I'm gonna probably sit under the dryer for a solid 30 minutes, and then I'll be back with the next process, which is gonna be the ACV rinse. Okay, so guys, I just rinsed my hair out, and I am just gonna go ahead and spray my hair right now. So what I do is I do use my sink to wash my hair out. I do, of course, you know, wash my sink out before I actually use it, because of course we know dishes go in there and all that stuff. So you always want to make sure you wash your sink out. Bleach your sink if you want. I personally don't go that extra far, but I do make sure I wash my sink out effectively before washing my hair. First off, because I don't want disgusting anything in my hair, and secondly, it's a sink, like, you use your dishes for it. So as long as you wash it out, you disinfect it, you're good to go. Another reason why I don't always wash my hair in the shower is because it does have a tendency to clog my drain. So you just want to make sure your hair is cleansed. And remember the reason why I'm cleansed. So this is my first cleanse. I'm going to end up cleansing my hair more so in detail once I wash out the henna. But I need to make sure my head's at least clean when I put in the product, because I want the henna to be able to stick to my hair, okay? So this is it. It's kind of just a rough cleansing, but I feel like my scalp feels so much better. You always want to make sure you guys are wearing a shirt that you kind of don't care about, but you don't mind getting a little wet or messy or whatever. Okay, so I feel like my hair is fine. All right, so now you guys, I'm going to wash this off camera, and then we'll start the henna process, which is the third step. Hey guys, welcome back. So now we are going to go on to the henna stage. So for those of you who do not know or are new to my channel, I started using henna, which is basically a plant. It's derived from a plant, and it is a sort of it is a clay or a paste, as you will say, but it's basically a natural way to dye your hair, but it also adds strength to your hair. It helps with breakage. It's freaking amazing. And if you guys have not seen my video, I have a video on it on my channel, which I will link above. Do I see a difference? Yes, the answer is yes. I'm gonna look to find pictures for you guys before I started using henna compared to when I started using henna, and the difference. So I've probably been using henna now for like a solid, I don't know, probably like about two or three months consecutively. 2 or 3 months consecutively, and it's been doing wonders. I usually put henna in my hair right before I put it into any type of protective style or anything like that, because it really does strengthen the hair. Not only that, for those of you looking to get a more looser curl pattern, henna does do that for a short period of time. Now the more you use it, the more you're consistent with it, the better I think that it will probably be. Go ahead and fast forward it so you guys can see what I am doing. Alright y'all, so I'm done applying the henna on my hair. And I'm sorry in advance about the like blue tint lighting. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm short on time when it comes to putting henna in my hair today, so The lighting's a little dark, but you guys get the gist. It kind of looks like in my hair, you guys, once it's in my hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it up because I have running around to do today, you guys. You guys, I'm just gonna take 2 sides of my hair since I know I'm gonna put it in a wig. And I'm gonna wrap one side. And I'm gonna put a bobby pin on it. I just don't have any right now. Alright, you guys, now I'm gonna go put a wig on. I'm gonna at least keep the henna in. You wanna keep it on for at least 2 or 3 hours. So I have some errands to run. So I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Guys, stay tuned. I kind of have to do this a little ratchet. My thing's not on my stand because I have to work tonight. So I wanted to just show you guys what the henna treatment looks like after I put it on. Now I'm gonna just wash it out in the sink off camera. Okay, so this is my hair after the henna treatment. I usually do the indigo, but I'm not gonna do it. So I'm gonna just skip, and I usually do a clay cleanser. I've been looking to do a clay cleanser, but because again I'm short on time, this is a busy week, I'm actually gonna use Mayel's pomegranate honey moisturizing and detangling shampoo followed by the conditioner. Okay, so you guys want to make sure that when you're shampooing your hair, you really get your roots. You really get your roots, you guys. Whew, because that's where all of this feels so bomb. That's where all of the dirt really resides, is definitely in the scalp or on the scalp. And you want to make sure you get the scalp so it's clean and ready for the week ahead. I'm using this shampoo. It doesn't seem too heavy, which is nice. So this is the Mayel White Peony Leave-In Conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner Mayeli. And this is pomegranate and honey. Okay, so I just took the pomegranate and honey, the leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna put it on my hair for now. Now on the, I think I told you guys I'm not gonna do the indigo this week because I don't need to. My hair is still pretty black, so I'm not gonna do the indigo this week. And it's a pretty busy week, so I'm now on the last process because I did cleanse my hair and condition it, like a rough draft conditioner. But now I'm gonna go ahead and put the deep conditioner in there. This is a homemade conditioner. I did make this is a homemade conditioner, so I will show you guys how I make it throughout the video and the products that I used. I love this stuff. I did put preservatives in it because I want this to last at least probably like about like a solid month. I want it to last like a solid month. I have avocado in here, bananas in here, flaxseed gel, a lot of good stuff. So I can't wait to put this on my hair. I covered my couch. I also will let you guys know it's been a long few days, so I needed this little sippy sip. Make sure you guys get an extra towel because sometimes it can get a little messy and you want somewhere to, or something where you can put the condition, like wipe the conditioner off your hands. Okay, so it feels so good. So a little trick that I like to do, you guys, is like I said, you guys see how big this jar is, right? So this is gonna last me, and I put a preservative in it, so it's gonna last me like a long time, like probably, hopefully 2 or 3 months, hopefully. So then it's like when you make your own concoctions and like your own DIY hair conditioners, they last you a while. You don't always have to like remake it every week. which is something that I look for because I want my hair to have the best nutrients, but I also don't want to have to make my deep conditioner every week just because, you know, it's all natural. So for me, I'm just learning to, I will probably keep this in my hair all night, I'm not gonna lie. Like an hour is just not gonna do the trick. Because I typically start at the bottom and work my way up. And then this is where I'm gonna take my pick and I'm just gonna start at the ends and gently work your way down. So this is why you wanna lay a towel down, because a lot of times you're like picking through your hair and the product will basically like splatter, you know what I'm saying? So you wanna make sure you have that protection for when the product does splatter, it's not getting all over your, you know, your nice anything, you know what I'm saying? Your nice anything. And you give your hair anything natural, it's gonna love you. It's gonna love you. It's just gonna love you. Look at that. Look at that. Look how juicy, y'all. Look how juicy. Guys, so I kept my conditioner on overnight. And I'm about to wash it out right now in the shower, so I will be back and I'll have you guys see that. So this is my hair after I washed it out. Look at these curls. And you guys will see in previous videos where I have washed my hair, I did use some ACV rinse just to wash out the conditioner at the root, just because it is natural avocado banana, so I don't want any of that in my hair. But now I'm gonna put my hair up and get my day started because I gotta go, y'all. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and as always, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget, stay dope.